Hello and welcome to our channel. This week we are in Ho Chi Minh or Saigon City with later visit to the Mekong Delta. We enjoy the vibrant nightlife and restaurant scene. Take a rain-drenched walking tour including exploring some of the city's coolest coffee spots. A wonderful street food tour on the back of mopeds. We then travelled to the Mekong Delta, staying at a fantastic homestay near Cantho. We visit a floating market where we have breakfast and take a cycle ride through the countryside. I hope you enjoy.
So we've landed in Ho Chi Minh.
Ho Chi Minh, yeah.
Yeah.
Been very efficiently met by someone from
a lady with Friends Vietnam with Julie on the little board.
I think Julie's the only one on holiday. Ho Chi Minh is Vietnam's largest city and its economic hub. It is renowned for its vibrant street life, French colonial architecture and the chaotic flow of over 7 million mopeds buzzing through its street, making it a dynamic urban spectacle. After freshening up at the hotel, we made our way to Huynh Way Walking Street. It is a wide pedestrian-friendly boulevard lined with shops, cafes and landmarks, including the iconic statue of Ho Chi Minh. Local musical entertainment was provided for all ages and all tastes. There was a fantastic array of activities for people to get involved in, from chess to pickleball and whatever this is called.
Looks very nice. Restaurant. Good food.
The next morning the skies opened and the rain poured, and we were very grateful for our rain ponchos as we made our way to what we hoped was the start of our walking tour.
Croissant.
Not quite sure how to eat it.
Yes, there's a combination of bowls here. Oh dear. Lots of walking tours around with people that look very damp.
After breakfast we met up with our tour guide. Thankfully the rain lessened and we began our walking tour of Saigon, beginning with visits to buildings from the French colonial period and also from the time of the Vietnam War up until the 21st century. Next we went into a 4-storey building which, to be honest, without the guide we never would have entered, and within which there were just an amazing array of different coffee shops, including this last one called The House, which was made up as an apartment with comfy sofas and chairs, a pool table, bathroom, right down to a bed in one corner.
Right, had our coffee stop. Now, where are we going?
The Cantonese guy, he came here to Saigon, and after that he built more than 30,000 houses, and many the houses in District 5 he make it, and this is the area of the Cantonese.
So this is Notre Dame, but obviously all covered up.
Hello guys, this is the post office. Post look like train station, right?
Yeah,
look like train station.
Yeah. Just like a train station, but it is a post office.
Another multi-storey building with many stairs, at the top of which was another iconic coffee shop, and from where you could see former CIA building, which was the subject matter for this famous photograph of a helicopter evacuating Vietnamese civilians during the Vietnam War.
Oh.
I'm going for a food tour on mopeds.
It's a very attractive hat.
Our first stop was quite a poignant one. The Thich Quang Duc Memorial honours the Buddhist monk who self-immolated in 1963 to protest religious persecution. Book this wonderful tour with the Get Your Guide app and Saigon Adventure Travel with the tour operators, and I must say they were brilliant. Friendly but professional, very knowledgeable, and we both thought that the £44 for the both of us was good value. The street food that we enjoyed was both authentic and delicious. The next morning, after a 3-hour transfer, we were met by our guide at the beautiful Van Sang Rustic Homestay, which is located near Cantho on the Mekong Delta.
Breakfast and maybe dinner. That is a good tour. Here we go again.
After unpacking, we set off with our brilliant guide Jimmy on a rural cycle tour, starting with this rather unique ferry crossing.
This lady here, it's a very famous lady. It's going to show us how to do rice noodles.
And then you have to use banana leaf on the left hand and you move to a zigzag.
Oh, I see, like a pattern. Wow. Oh, yeah.
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 Oh, cucumber.
Roll it up.
And then
Dip. Way.
Next stop was in the home of a lovely couple
Yep.
who taught us how to make banana cake using traditional cooking methods.
yeah, I'll show you.
For lighting the
Okay.
fire, the first job was to scrape
Yeah.
the coconut meat using this traditional tool, not as easy
Who's
as
having a
it
go now?
looked. Next, I was squeezing the coconut milk to form the coconut milk, whilst our host was preparing the bananas and Jimmy was sorting out the rest of the ingredients for the sauce.
So that's the banana mixture. Steaming. Coconut milk. Rice.
And then it was time to enjoy the fruits of our labours. What a brilliant experience.
And the sauce. Well, good morning. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, so we're up early because we're going to a floating market. But as you can hear and probably see, it's very wet again. Here we go.
Here we go. We go to the floating market. It's about 45 minutes.
The Cantho floating market is an iconic attraction in the Mekong Delta region. Located about 6 kilometres from Cantho city centre, it is one of the largest and most famous floating markets in the area. The market operates early in the morning where boats gather to wholesale trade fresh fruits and vegetables. Sellers advertise their products by hanging samples on poles, creating a lively and colourful atmosphere. It also showcases the unique river culture and traditional lifestyle of the Mekong Delta inhabitants.
And they have cock as well.
Our first stop was to sample a banana leaf wrapped pudding. Julie, as you can see, is not a fan.
This is breakfast. Some kind of noodly soup. I've failed on the first banana thing.
Massively.
Now on a cafe, on a boat. And somebody's down there. So we've got a double decker preparing. Right, that one.
Dạo này đỡ em ha. Từ từ hy vọng mà.
They make that one first, and then that's exactly what we ate this morning.
Hey. Our boat tour continued down the narrow canalways of the local area. This part of the journey was such good fun. As you can see, the weeds in the canal are so thick in some places, we've had to rock the boat from side to side to get through. Our time in the Mekong Delta was nearly over, just time to return to our rustic home for some well-earned R&R and to enjoy the fabulous food that was on offer. We have had such a fantastic time, and we would highly recommend both the Van Sang Rustic Home Retreat and also our brilliant guide Jimmy to anybody. We really hope that you've enjoyed this episode, and if you did, please do like and subscribe. Next week we take a speed ferry to the beautiful island of Phu Quoc. We enjoy some much needed chill time. Also managed to squeeze in an
We've just
adventure
come
or two.
across that.
See you next time.